What if Toyota decided the Grand Highlander wasn't just a practical family SUV anymore? Well, here's the 2027 Toyota Grand Highlander, and it's completely transformed the SUV's personality. Gone is the conservative family car image. In its place is a bold, premium, and surprisingly sporty SUV that looks ready to dominate suburban streets and luxury parking lots. Let's take a closer look. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive front end. Toyota has completely redesigned the Grand Highlander's face with a much more aggressive and luxurious look. The traditional grille has evolved into a massive honeycomb mesh design that stretches almost the entire front bumper. In the center is the Toyota emblem, proudly positioned between two ultra-thin LED light bars that stretch horizontally across the front. These sleek lighting elements create a futuristic signature that instantly makes the SUV appear wider and more rugged. However, the most eye-catching are the vertical LED daytime running lights. Overall, the look is strong, confident, and distinctly modern. Turning to the side profile, the Grand Highlander displays a clean yet muscular silhouette. Its long wheelbase remains one of its greatest strengths, emphasizing its spacious three-row layout while creating a premium, flagship appearance. The body lines are sharp and well-defined. A strong shoulder line runs from the front fenders to the taillights, visually lengthening the SUV and enhancing its upscale character. All black touches throughout the vehicle create an elegant and sophisticated look. Glossy black mirror caps, dark window trim, and black roof rails all contribute to a cohesive design language that feels both sporty and luxurious. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the SUV a commanding stance and reducing the bulkiness typically associated with three-row family vehicles. The rear design is perhaps the most impressive aspect of the entire vehicle. Toyota has adopted a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the entire trunk lid, creating a sophisticated and premium nighttime signature. The horizontal light strip visually widens the SUV, making it appear more solid and stable. At each corner, vertical LED elements extend downward, mirroring the front lighting design and creating a strong sense of visual continuity. The trunk lid itself is clean and uncluttered. Sharp character lines add depth without being overly busy, while an integrated roof spoiler provides style and aerodynamic efficiency. Climb inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin shown in this image looks significantly more luxurious than the current Grand Highlander. The dashboard adopts a clean, horizontal layout that emphasizes width and openness. In the center is a large infotainment screen that immediately becomes the interior's focal point. The display appears larger, sharper, and more integrated than previous Toyota systems, offering a premium technology experience. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument panel with sharp graphics and customizable displays. The steering wheel has a thick rim and modern multifunction controls, creating a sporty yet comfortable driving environment. One of the most striking features is the ambient lighting system. A strip of purple LED light stretches across the dashboard and door panels, providing a sophisticated nighttime atmosphere in the cabin that is usually associated with luxury brands. While Toyota hasn't officially revealed powertrain details for the 2027 Grand Highlander, based on this design, several possibilities are plausible based on Toyota's current direction. The standard model could retain its updated 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing around 270 to 300 horsepower. A more advanced hybrid variant could produce over 350 horsepower while significantly improving fuel efficiency. Toyota could also introduce its next-generation hybrid MAX system, which combines turbocharged power with electric assistance for stronger acceleration and smoother performance. For buyers who prioritize efficiency, a plug-in hybrid version could offer substantial electric-only driving range while maintaining long-distance capability. Regardless of configuration, Toyota is expected to continue emphasizing reliability, fuel economy, and smooth everyday performance. All-wheel drive will likely remain available on most trims, further enhancing flexibility. The 2027 Toyota Grand Highlander represents a dramatic evolution of Toyota's flagship family SUV. It combines futuristic lighting, bold styling, a luxurious interior design, and the promise of advanced hybrid technology into one very attractive package. What do you think of this futuristic Toyota Grand Highlander? Would you choose it over the Palisade, Telluride, or CX-90? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future car reviews and design analysis.